Good morning, grade 8. Today we are going to start lesson 2, forms of energy. We mentioned before the two main types of energy, kinetic and potential energy. Kinetic energy is energy an object has due to its motion, and potential energy an object has due to its position. And this is stored energy. Potential energy, stored energy. Yes? We can say potential energy plus kinetic energy, both of them together make mechanical energy. So the sum of potential energy and the kinetic energy equal mechanical energy. Sometimes objects' mechanical energy equal kinetic only, without potential. Why? Because in this case, the car or the object at continuous motion, in a motion, not at rest. So in this case, no potential energy. Other cases, the mechanical energy equal potential energy. In this case, I can say the object at rest, no motion, so kinetic energy equals 0. Okay? Other point, forms of energy associated with particles include many forms of energy. So we have many forms of energy associated with the particles of object. What is the particles? Particles that form matter. Any matter consists of particles. The particles itself can move. Yes? In solid, they vibrate. In liquid and gas, they move. Yes? We have type called the nuclear energy. Nuclear energy, by this type, I can say energy inside the nucleus. Energy inside nucleus. Okay? I can use this energy to produce electricity. Okay? So, nuclear energy. Other types, thermal energy, electrical energy, electromagnetic energy, chemical energy. This type of energy associated with the particles of objects or matter. Number 1, nuclear energy. What is the nuclear energy? Kinetic or potential? We mentioned potential changes to kinetic, and the kinetic changes to potential if no motion. Yes? So, nuclear energy, it's a type of potential energy stored in the nucleus. Stored in the nucleus, inside the nucleus. The nucleus is the heart of the atom of matter. The matter or particle, any matter, like iron. The iron consists of atoms. Atom. Okay? Atom form the piece of iron. I can say, instead of atom, I can say particles. Each particle or each atom of the metal, iron, inside it, other particles called proton and neutron. Yes, proton and neutron inside the nucleus of iron that form iron element. Okay, so the nucleus inside the atom or the particle of element iron, النيوكليوس دي فيها بروتون ونيوترون، بيبقى جواها stored energy اللي هي potential energy. اوكي، الانرجي دي بقى ديت when released called nuclear energy, and this is energy released during nuclear reaction. طب انا بستخدمها في ايه؟ the uses of nuclear energy. قال لي we have two uses. عندي nuclear fission and the nuclear fusion. What is the difference between fission means splitting, dividing. One divide into two. The nuclear fission occurs when nucleus split. يبقى أنا دلوقتي النيوكليوس اللي جواها البروتون والنيوترون واللي جواها potential energy، أنا بعمل إيه فيها؟ بعمل لها splitting، فده produce huge amount of energy. nuclear power plant، محطات الطاقة النووية، nuclear power plant uses fission reaction to produce electricity. Yes, this is a picture of nuclear fission way. And we have other way of nuclear fusion, also releases nuclear energy. Nuclear fusion occur when nuclei plural, nuclei of two atoms fuse or join together. يبقى fusion means combination or joining together. The reaction occurs in the sun. طبعا احنا ما بنعملش حاجة. The sun create بتطلع لي huge amount of energy and light that reaches earth. بتوصل للأرض، توصل لنا as light. طبعا only tiny portion of this energy reaches earth. Only tiny portion of this energy reaches earth, okay, as heat and light. So we have two types of nuclear energy, or two ways releases nuclear energy. First way nuclear fission, and second way nuclear fusion, ودي بتبقى related للsun. Nuclear fission, this happens in nuclear power plant. This is type release energy, nuclear energy. Other type release energy like thermal energy. Thermal energy, it's a type of associated with energy of particles of matter. Thermal energy, total kinetic and potential energy of all particles in an object. Okay? يبقى kinetic change into potential and potential change into kinetic. The total kinetic and potential energy of all particles in an object, this is called thermal energy. Thermal energy make the temperature of object increase. Yes, thermal energy make the temperature of object increases. The higher the temperature means more thermal energy. Why? Because the particles move faster. If you supply any object with energy or with temperature, what happens? The particles move faster. The particle move faster when gain energy. Yes, and this is increases or raise the temperature of the object. Okay, so the higher the temperature an object has, the more thermal energy the object has. Give me example. Hot water. Hot water. أنا دلوقتي عندي cold water. أعمل إيه عشان أخليه hot؟ Supply the water with إيه؟ With energy. اللي أنا هسميها إيه؟ Thermal energy. Yes? The thermal energy make the particles move faster, and this is kinetic energy. And also the particles store energy inside it. This is potential energy. So both of them called thermal energy. Yes? We have other type of electrical energy. Electrical energy. Energy of electric charges. Electric charges. Yes? So electrical energy, energy of electric charges, depending on whether the charges are moving or stored. So electrical energy also potential and kinetic energy. Potential and kinetic energy. Or maybe one of them. Okay? Depending on whether the charge are moving, this is kinetic. Stored, this is potential. Yes? And other example for electrical energy, as we speak about electrical energy, I mean electrical energy from battery and from the main source of electricity also. Lightning, yes, that appears in the sky after raining or during raining. What happens? What happens to release or to produce light? Electric charges, when touch to each other or friction happen between the charges on the cloud in space أو in the sky, الكلاود اللي بيحصل بيبقى عندها negative charges. After raining أو during raining بيحصل connection ما بين اللي charges اللي على cloud, other cloud was positive charges and the cloud with negative charges. When they connect أو touch each other, positive and negative, it produces light. The connect produces light. Yes, so lightning phenomenon happen during raining or after raining. Yes, lightning happens due to the energy of electric charges. Yes, or releases energy. Okay, so lightning and electric energy from battery that run electric devices like a computer is a form of electrical energy associated with the particles or charges that produces energy. Okay, so electrical energy, energy of electric charges, that's only. Like thermal energy, kinetic and potential energy. Okay, We have types, other type, electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy, a form of energy that travels through space as waves. طبعا, all of you know light energy is the visible light that comes from sun, is the main source of light, or as general stars produce heat and light. The light is type of electromagnetic energy. Type of electromagnetic energy. We have light, we have microwaves, we have X-rays, we have ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, radio waves, cell phone send and receive message using microwave. يبقى cell wave using microwave type of electromagnetic energy. Yes, last one, chemical energy. Chemical energy, potential energy, stored in chemical bond of molecules. Yes, when we eat food, the food rich in carbohydrates, protein, lipid, sugar, vitamins. طب دي كلها عبارة عن chemicals compounds joined between atoms that form chemical compounds دي joined by chemical bonds. chemical bonds ديت بيحصل لها breaking بيبقى لازم يكون في stored energy عشان تعمل breaking للبوند ديت عشان اقدر اعمل digesting للcomplicated food اللي انا اكلته that which we eat. اوكي طيب قال لي chemical bonds you also found in plant when form photosynthesis process to make the food, like take sunlight and take water and take carbon dioxide together, mix it and produce chemical energy. The chemical energy plant use it to make the food for plant. Also the battery dry cell battery, also inside the component or inside the chemicals in it, it has chemical energy. Look at the tip of match. The tip of match, this is material. When we make friction between this material and tough surface, what happens? Chemical energy start to initiate heating or burning the material of the match and produce heat and light. Also burning a piece of wood, this is chemical energy. To start burning, we have chemical energy, stored energy or potential energy to initiate the burning of wood with the material that initiate burning. So we have pictures like this. Which form of energy? I ask you. The sun, electromagnetic energy, yes, as I mentioned now, electromagnetic energy. And sandwich, chemical energy, yes, nuclear power station, nuclear energy. Electric cable, electrical energy. The donkey, mechanical energy, because it has stored energy, potential and kinetic energy. A fire, electromagnetic energy. Climb, it has chemical and potential energy and kinetic energy, so he has mechanical energy. The man bow, stretches the bow, the arrow in the bow, so this is stretched, yes, elastic potential energy. Also I can say kinetic energy, both of them, elastic and kinetic energy, both of them make mechanical, because after stretching the bow with the arrow, it will leave it, so it changes into kinetic energy. And also in megaphone, sound energy, yes, sound energy, it's a type of electromagnetic energy, yes, or electrical energy, yes. Megaphone use electrical energy to produce sound. Okay, this is the forms of energy associated with particle of object, and as general forms of energy that told me about two main parts of energy, kinetic and potential, and the other forms of energy associated with the particle of objects, as I told you now. Thank you, all of you.